Hi. As you can see, there are no people, right? Walang tao. So what I did, I just tried to make a short video of these birds because I'm really fascinated just watching them. Who cares? The birds said. Oh, who cares? Me, I care. I just go and shoot. Then I look to the left, to the right, at my back. There are people watching me because I'm watching the birds. I don't care. I just watch the birds and I love watching them. Even if I don't have something to feed them, I just watch them. See, they enjoy themselves wading in the water. So nice looking at them. I don't know. How about you? Do you enjoy watching birds now? It's so cute. Just passing time, then you just look at them, you try to get rid of your problems, try to relax, just watching them. It makes you feel good, at least, if not better. I wonder where these birds really come from, their origin, I mean. But I don't really miss this area every time I go to Balad. This is my favorite area, aside from the shopping itself. I love these birds. That's all. Thank you for watching.